How to make 100 to 500 Ghana cedis every single week using your Binance app. We are going to be trading Binance futures, so make sure you watch the video from start to finish. And at the end, if you have any questions, just comment down below and click the first link. Join the Telegram group.
Many of you have been asking me I should do a video on how to use trend lines, support and resistance on Binance futures. So in this video, I'm going to show you the tools that I use to make decisions when I'm going to take a trade. And I told you people that anytime that you are going to enter a particular trade, there are two things you should consider. The first thing is fundamental analysis. The fundamental analysis is the news, the current sentiment of the market, that's the news. And we also have technical analysis, which is your own opinion after looking at the chart, the historical pattern. So this is just one of my friends' accounts that I'm using to do. You know my account, I don't show my, so I'm going to show you how to add these things so that you can also have a perfect reward ratio anytime that you enter a trade. So just last week we made over $6,000 trading BTC USDT. You can see here, this was where we entered the trade and we rode it up to this particular place. That was yesterday, 28,000. So right now BTC is trying to fall to form a support and resistance here. You can see the candlestick pin bars pulling to the downside. So if I were you, what I'll do is I'll enter a sell position here and log it to, let's say, 27,000. So basically, to get all these trend lines and horizontal patterns and how much you are going to make on a trade here, the calculator, you are going to switch your Binance chart from original to trading view. So we have the original Binance chart. This is the one that I'm talking about. So this is the real Binance chart of BTC USDT. Then the time frame is here. We have time frame 15. That means that each candlestick is equivalent to 15. So if I click 15 here, we have just changed the time frame being 15 here, so you can see it here. Then we also have BTC USDT. When we click on 1 hour time frame, 1 each means 1 hour. Then we have 4 each means 4 hours. For me, I trade within the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame. Then here we have the technical indicators. Indicators help you calculate the number of price actions that have happened historically so that it can help you enter and also close a trade. We have this place where you can add more settings, whether you want to add more time frames, the last price to use here. For me, I use the trading view chart. That's the main reasons why I like Binance. They have all the things in your disposal and it's also mobile friendly. So that means that if you only have a smartphone, you can still make a lot of money trading using the Binance app. So what you need to do if you want to get all these tools, so if I click on and enlarge the chart here, you can see we have trading view, then we have in-depth. For me, I just click on trading view. This is where I learned my technical analysis. So I'll just click on trading view to, you can see this is my trading view. So when you click on trading view chart, we have the tools from trading view. We have the arrow buttons here. We also have the trading trend lines. Then we have Fibonacci retracement. We have geometric shapes. So if you want to enter a trade in the next video, this is what I'm just going to be doing the whole week for you guys. If you want to add text to your chart, then we also have different patterns. We have horizontal patterns, vertical patterns, cap and double, all these things. They also have prediction and measurement tools. So these ones usually help you when you are going to enter a trade or you are going to create signal for your students. If you are in my private mentorship group, you know what I'm talking about. This particular price prediction and measurement tools will help you determine how much you are going to enter and how much you are going to profit from a trade. Okay, so right now, last 2 weeks, we draw these horizontal lines on the chart using BTC USDT 4 hour time frame. We enter a buy position here, then we ride it up to 28,000. Yesterday that we sold, and now we are moving the price to 27,100. This is my main prediction of Bitcoin during the week. Okay, so for us to know how much we are going to make on this trade, we are going to click on the left hand side. You can see this button where my mouse cursor is. We'll click on the price prediction, then we click on short. Because we are selling Bitcoin, we'll click on the short position here. Then we'll come and put it at the resistance price, where price was pushed down to the lower downside. So what I'll just do is I'll reduce my stop loss to this place. So right now I'm going to lose 0.7% of my account balance. Then the take profit will be, I'll write it down to the resistance, the support level here. Then we have the resistance where my stop loss will be. So let me move the bar to this side so that you guys can see it very well. So this is where our stop loss will be. For me, I use tight stop loss. So my PNL will be minus $214, and my take profit will be around $1,702. Okay, so this is how much we are going to make on this trade if the price fall to $26,330. So this is how you select your trend. So if you want to also remove the trend line, just click on it, then you click on the delete button here, then you click on this one too, and right click, then you click on the delete again, the dustbin, then you delete them. So for you to add, let's say, trend lines, if you want to add trend lines, just click here, then you select, we have trend line, you click on it, then let's say we are moving price to the, we click here, we move it to this place, then we click it this way, then let's add another one too. We'll click, we add to this side here. So for me, I don't usually use trend lines trading cryptocurrencies because Bitcoin and other pairs, they move very volatile, they are very fast when they are moving. So what I use is I use price prediction, and I also use Fibonacci retracement and the triangular shapes. These ones help me. So anytime that you are going to enter a trade, I told you there are 3 things you should consider: the general market, fundamental analysis, and also change your time frame from 1 hour or 4 hours. This is my perception. I'm a day trader, so I use the 1 hour time frame and also use the 4 hour time frame. So if you want to reduce the bar, just click on the arrows pointing at each other at the right hand side here. So this is how you use TradingView tools. I'll be doing more videos about it, how to add your support and resistance, also how to add the horizontal lines, just the way I taught you guys in the VIP group. So anytime that you are going to enter a trade, you can go to TradingView here. You have TradingView, then you use it for technical analysis. Okay, then we also have investing.com. For the investing.com, you can get your fundamental analysis there. The reason why I always emphasize on fundamental analysis is because sometimes before there will be a huge movement in the crypto market, we usually have news that are currently coming out. So in the next video, I will show you how to use TradingView chart, technical analysis, and also how to use fundamental analysis through investing.com. So make sure you subscribe, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp. I have a WhatsApp group where I teach people how to trade cryptocurrencies and earn passive income with their smartphone.